Hey guys, it's Mr. Johnson, and I just wanted to say, how are you doing? I thought I'd make some videos to kind of keep in touch with you guys and to show you some things that you can do over the break to keep your brains active and to continue learning, continue um, having a growth mindset, so that when you guys come back, your brains won't be mush. Okay, so shout out to Liam because he was the one that kind of gave me this idea. Um, Liam shared a reading log with me, and I thought that was a really good idea as a way to kind of keep in touch with me while we're out of school, and also to stay active and to keep reading and keep growing our brains. So I'm going to show you guys quickly how you can make a reading log and then share it with me in Google Drive. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to log into your Wake ID portal through the Brooks website. So it should be down on the lower right side of the screen, I believe. You click on that link, type in your login number and your password, and you should be able to go right in. Then you'll get into your Wake ID portal screen, and your Google Drive is right there, as well as your Google Classroom. My screen looks different from yours just because I'm a teacher and I've got a lot more stuff. So I already have Google Drive open, and you can see Liam's already shared it with me right there. And here is the reading log I created to share with you guys. So you're going to put in today's date and or whatever day you're reading. Book title and a brief summary. So let's say Pete the cat goes on a walk and gets his white shoes all messy. Okay. You can add more detail than that. I'm just doing a quick little one for the video. I'd say 1 to 2 sentences, maybe 3, if whatever you read has a lot of detail that you like to share with me. Okay. So after you do that, you're going to share it with me this way, but I don't want you to write over the reading log I'm going to post. I'm going to post this in Google Classroom, but you guys will need to make a copy. So the way to do that is you're going to go up here to where it says File, hit Make a Copy, and it'll say Copy of Reading Log. Go ahead and change the title and include your name. So like Liam's, not mean to hit enter on that. I don't know what just happened. Let me try that again. Make a copy. And you're going to just put in, let's just do my name, Mr. J's reading log, and hit OK. It'll go to your drive, and you should already have one created there. Okay. So after you make a copy and you put your name on it, make sure you put your name on it. If you forget to do that step, just go up to the top and you can click on the title right there and change it and put your name in. Okay. Then go up here where it says share, and just like what you guys did with your Peter Pan book reviews, how you shared it with me and I could comment and revise with you, you're going to hit share and then type in my name, Justin Johnson. Make sure you pull up the staff one. It says staff Brooks ES. Don't click this Justin Johnson, who's a student at Southeast Raleigh High School, because I'm sure he doesn't want your reading log. Okay, so click on mine. Should have my face, and then hit send. And once you do that, I'll get the email, and then I can view it and comment on it, and it will be a way for us to just keep in touch. So yeah, I'm going to post this video as well as the reading log link in Google Classroom. It'll be in here on the announcements page. Okay, and again, you get to Google Classroom the same way you do Google Drive. You log into your Wake ID portal and you click on this icon that says Google Classroom. Okay, so thanks guys. I hope that you do continue to read over the break, continue to work your brains so that when we do get back to school, you are ready to learn. But enjoy this time off. Don't drive your family crazy.